Hello guys, and welcome to the channel again. So this is Robin here guys, and be sure to subscribe the channel and let's go. So in today's video I'm going to show you the trades recap, the trade that we took with the community this week. And from your chart, this is a gold chart. So I only trade gold and gold, USD JPY and GBP USD, but mostly I only focus on gold. So as you can see from your chart, these are 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to 30 minute time frame and show you something. So these are on Monday. Here we are on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, so this is the whole week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. This is Monday, no trade. Tuesday, one trade. Wednesday, one trade. Thursday, one trade. And Friday, one trade. Yeah, that's how I trade, and that's my trades. We're catching good tips on gold, and that's how we are trading. So guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel, kindly use the link in the description of this video, subscribe the channel. And if you have any inquiries guys, use the link in the description. Just go to the link in the description and join my free Telegram channel. Link is just in the description of this video. So in today's video, I'm going to run you through the recap of this trade that you are seeing on your screen. Recap of all these trades, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and I'll manage to go in details. I'll try to go in details and explain to you everything about this trade. Yeah, just watch the video till the end and be sure to subscribe the channel. Also, register with the best broker, link just in the description of this video. Yeah, best broker. Register with the best broker that I always trade with. Instant withdrawal and instant execution plus tight spread. You can trade with even $2 deposit. Yeah, so no excuse of don't have trading capital. Yeah, you can flip that small amount of money that you have. And if you want to get mentored, just contact me. Yeah, so let's start from Tuesday. This is on Tuesday. So I'll try to go on let me go to monthly time frame so that you can understand these horizontal line that you are seeing on your screens. Let me explain to you the horizontal line that you are seeing on your screens. So from here, you can see this horizontal line, this one horizontal line. So I use the measurement to measure the middle of this monthly candlestick. This is a monthly candlestick. I measure it, and it's exactly at this point, this one. So these are middle of monthly time frame. Yeah, nothing more. And if you go to the weekly time frame, this is the middle of the weekly time frame. This is the middle of the weekly time frame. This black horizontal line. And if you go to, and these are the high of the monthly time frame. Yeah, so let me just go to 4 hour time frame so that I can use that time frame to explain everything. So from here, I normally come to the chart at this time, 8 a.m. and I mark the previous 4 hour candle base. That is a 4 a.m. candle that was closed at 8 a.m. I mark the high and the low. Mark the high, I mark the low, I mark the low, I mark the high. Then I measure the middle of that candle. Then here is where I was supposed to sell this candle. As you can see, this candle was a bearish candle, so I was expecting to sell this one. I was expecting to sell. Then I go down to 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. Let's go. No wahala. Trading is good. Yeah, this is the trade guys. And so I was waiting for this market to come to give us some sort of come and give us this one, these signs of push to this point, give us some sort of retest, then continue to the sell to the downside before breaking here. It wasn't supposed to break this zone before coming back here. So immediately I saw this market breaking this zone here. Immediately it breaks this zone here. I enter for sales at this point. So I saw this candle here, this bearish candle. I use this bearish candle for my confirmation, and exactly at this point is where I entered my sell position. At this point here, yeah, and we got a very good let me see how many pips, 200 pips. That was my target, 200 pips. I was risking 50 pips, targeting 200 pips. That's 1:4 risk reward ratio, and it was a clean sell trade. Yeah, let's go to the next day. This was on Wednesday. Yes, just come to 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and show you the analysis based on a 4-hour time frame. This was a clean sniper entry on a Wednesday trade, and coming to this day, I didn't use the exact strategy I used on this day. It was a little bit different. So I was expecting to buy. As you can see, the previous candle, this one was a bullish one, so I was expecting to buy it on this day, but yeah, ended up selling. I'm going to show you why. So if you come here into this let me go down to 15 minutes time frame and show you guys. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. So on a 15 minutes time frame, I saw this. It was I think 1 hour. Let me go to 1 hour. I'll use the 1 hour to do this. So I saw this zone here. Market had broken this zone from this point. So you can see. Let me delete this. So you can see there was a strong break to the downside, but no retest. So I use this as a retest confirmation to sell. So I immediately the market came into this zone here, entered for my sell position, and I notified everyone to sell at this point, and we saw this amazing look. Okay, it was a sniper entry whereby we caught about 400 pips. This was a clean 400 pips, but it moved slowly, and immediately it hit our take profit. Yeah, we secured that good amount of money. So if you come back to, let's go to Thursday trade. I'm doing it very fast, guys. Yeah, on Thursday, this was our trade. I don't want this video to be so long. So on a Thursday, we marked the high, the middle of this it was a HAM candle, the middle and the close. So this was the middle, and I made this zone here, this blue zone, and if you go back to lower time frame, as you can see, it was a good trade. So in this case, I was waiting for this market to break this zone, because this was a strong zone that was being broken to the downside. As you can see, there was some sort of rejection at this point. So immediately the market came here. I was looking for buys, but before I take the trade, I was waiting for market to break above here, above this zone. I waited for this market to break here. Immediately to break here with this bullish candle, these two bullish candlesticks, and that was a good confirmation for me to enter for a buy position at this point, catching 400 pips. I think this was a clean 400 pips, no, 300 pips, risking only 50 pips. It was a clean one, and that's how we secure that amazing profits. Yeah, just a clean one. Coming on Friday, I took a loss on Friday. A loss, very good loss. A very good loss. I'm going to explain this too. So when it comes to this 4 a.m. candle, I make the low. This was the low, and let's also mark the middle of this candle. Let's mark the middle of this candle. That's the middle. So I was expecting to sell when market come into this area. This was my sell area, expecting to sell. So if you come back to 5 minutes time frame, you can see market didn't care to this. Market decided to come to this area, give up some sort of rejection, then sell. Nah, they didn't do that. But I was also waiting for this market to either break this zone, to break here, to break below this low, As you can see, it broke with this candle. This candle was somehow breaking this zone, but it closed with a rejection. There was some sort of rejection. Okay, candlestick rejection here. It moved with a wick, so that was not confirmation for me to sell this market. So I immediately entered for buy from this candle here. But yeah, I was tricked. I was in some sort of profit. Market moved about let me see how many pips, about 70 pips, and then yeah, I was stopped out like that. I was stopped out from that trade. But Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday was a win for me. As you can see, good win, sniper entry. I'm happy, sniper entry. So just a good trade. Another one was here. Where it was here, good 200 pips. So just clean. So another trade that I caught was on GBP USD, and on Friday I missed a trade on USD JPY. On GBP USD I got another trade, beautiful one, good one, amazing one. Amazing one. Let me show you guys. Amazing. It was an amazing trade. It was a sniper, and it was just episode, I documented it. It was just episode 5, day 5 of trading $50 account, I think. Yeah, this was the trade. $250 was backed here. I marked this is the close, this is the middle, this is the middle of 8 a.m. candle. This is the middle, this is the high, this is the low. So I was waiting to sell. This was my area to sell from this area. Yeah. So I sell exactly at this point here. Immediately I went down to 1 minute time frame, and I saw this amazing. Let me see where is 1 minute time frame. Sorry guys. And I do. Wow. Let me just use the 5 minutes time frame to explain this. There was some sort of break of structure here around this area. So I used that opportunity to enter for this sale, and I caught a clean. It was fastest trade. Okay, clean 50 pips. This was 50 pips. I used a lot size of good lot size. Yeah, 0.5 lot. It was a clean one. So that's all about the video, guys. Be sure to subscribe and leave the good comment, and subscribe the channel, like the video, and join my free Telegram channel, link in the description of the video. Yeah, peace out guys.